Hi, today we're going to learn how to set up a countdown timer bar. To set up a countdown timer bar, you need to log into AI Trillion and then on the left hand side navigation area, click on the announcement bar section and then on dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, ensure that the app status is turned on and click on create new to make a countdown bar. Choose the type as a countdown timer bar and call it any name you wish to. For this example, I'll say countdown test. Once done, click on Save. As soon as you saved your bar, you'll be presented with a range of options and for configuration of your bar. The first is text before time, which is this bit over here. So you can put in whatever text before and after time you like. You can add a button label and a link that the button will go to. Usually this is used in a situation where you want to put more information about your bar. So let's say hurry rush your orders before time runs out, or you can say your sale, you can say your sale ends. And then you can have a button label URL. If you don't want a button, you can remove the button here. So like that. You can have a countdown language and a timer date and time. So the bar will count from this date and this time to this date and this time in this particular time zone. Choose your time zone as per your country. Once done, choose the design tab where you can modify the colors of the bar, the text, font size, alignment. You can choose a bar width, bar padding. You can choose the button color, of course. So let's say you can configure it exactly the way you like, and what of course merges with the rest of your website. You can have a timer style, so timer background color, this little squares here. You can have a timer text color. There's so many configurations that you can do. You can choose a font family to match with your website, so anything you like. Once done with design options, choose behavior. You can choose whether you want a marquee alternating, you want a marquee circular header text style, you don't want any header text, or you want just a blink button. So you can have the bar stationary, but you see the button blinks. You can choose to have the bar position top or bottom. You can choose to have it display on all pages, just the home page, a particular page with URL. And then if you have, let's say, a set of pages where you want to display, so you want to display on page 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, like that, but not all of them in sequence, you can use the embedded code option. So click on embedded code and then use this embedded code button on the top, copy to clipboard, and that'll copy this text to clipboard, which you need to put into any page on your Shopify site where you want the bars to be displayed. And then once you're done, you have the bar option, sticky and scroll, open in new tab, whether you want the click on button to open in a new tab. You can have hide on mobile. So a lot of people don't like bars on mobile. You can choose to have a cancel icon on the bar so that people can close it. You can also choose to show the bar again, let's say in 2 days after closing. You can hide it on desktop, but that probably doesn't make sense, but you can hide it on mobile. And you can open a new tab and stuff. Once you're satisfied with all the options you have made, once you're happy with all the options you have made, just save your bar like that. Save. Oh, say please enter page URL, because this is because I had chosen the option for display on page with URL. I'll choose all pages for this example and auto inject because I don't want to use the embedded code system. Once done, I'm going to click on save my bar. And once your bar is saved, you see the countdown timer bar has been updated successfully. You will be able to see this bar in the list of bars once you have configured the bar. So here's my shipping 1, 2, 3 and my countdown test that I had created in the previous 2 videos. And you can edit the bar, delete the bar, even copy the bar from here. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.